Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to talk about working out post-Nuss procedure. So I have a lot of clients sign up to me who've actually had the Nuss procedure, and either their procedure's been successful, which is amazing, and it's lifted their chest, but they're still not super confident in their body because they still don't have muscle, they still have the pectus posture, the rib flare and other things. So they sign up, or sometimes it's not successful. Most of the surgeries are. There certainly are a lot of cases where it's not exactly the intended outcome that the client is looking for. Sometimes it doesn't make the chest perfectly flat, and sometimes actually once they take the bars out, it reverts in a little bit. So, it's not 100% successful surgery. So often I am working with clients who are a bit dissatisfied with their surgery. Not to say negative things about the surgery. I think it's great, and it's really great for people with a severe case in which, their heart and lungs are actually being compressed and it's a health concern for them. I also think it's a great option for people with a really severe case who have really bad mental health because of it. But if you have a more mild or moderate case and it's not presenting a health concern, it's just cosmetic, I really would recommend you avoid it personally. Obviously consult with your doctor to make sure if it's something that's going to benefit your health. But if it's not, then I really think you can make it look so much better just with exercise. But anyway, I wanted to cater this video more towards people who have got the surgery and give them advice, because I actually have a lot of people reach out to me in those circumstances. So if that's you, then typically what happens after the Nuss procedure is about 6 weeks until you can start exercise again. Now this totally is dependent case by case, surgery by surgery, surgeon by surgeon, person by person. So make sure you follow your doctor's advice there, but typically it is about that time. And so 6 weeks in you can start, but you'd definitely be wanting to start lighter, slow tempo, just building a foundation back, okay? Your body's probably going to feel a bit rigid, your chest, your ability to rotate, press overhead, it might be a bit limited. For example, my client Jake, who actually got the Nuss procedure, and then we built muscle with him to overcome other elements of the pectus, like his posture, rib flare, and just lack of muscle, to gain that confidence in his body, which ultimately is what he wanted. For Jake, when we started, a lot of the overhead pressing was very limited for him. So this is, something that can be quite common post-Nuss procedure and something to keep into consideration. So you just want to go slow, do movements that don't feel uncomfortable, and follow your doctor's advice, obviously. After 12 weeks, typically for most surgeries and most cases, you're pretty good to be back to like higher intensity, like your regular exercise regime without limitations. But again, it does depend. So I definitely talk to your doctor before you go and do anything like that. Make sure you get it all cleared and that you're good to restart a rigorous, high intensity weight training regime to build muscle. And then at that point, it's just like all the other clients, okay? Obviously, your chest might be flatter because you've had the surgery, but we're still wanting to target these key areas, especially the abs when it comes to the rib flare and posture. And then building the chest is still going to be key as well, because obviously you want to be confident in your body. And I think having a good chest, a good lean muscular sculpted chest is a key thing for having an awesome physique that you'll be confident in. I thought I'd finish this video just showing you two examples of my clients who have had surgery before. Jake, as I talked about earlier, this is his transformation. It's very incredible. I'm very proud of him. He's built such an amazing lean muscular body, and he's now confident in his body, which is amazing for someone with pectus to go through that and then achieve that. And then also Harry, okay? His transformation is also really awesome. So anyway, guys, just a quick video on working out post-Nuss procedure. I hope it was helpful. If you are interested in coaching, then links in the description.